Based on the wireframe, next we have to uh, create the header portion to have the logo. Let me remove the paragraph tag from the current header, and we'll add additional two divs, one for the logo and other for the title, the right side of the logo. So to achieve this kind of structure, we have to use the display flex in the header. So I will target the header and add display flex first. And flex direction should be row. And justify content, we can use space between, because we need to have the logo in the leftmost side and the title should be in the other part. So I will use the space between as the justify content. Next, I can use the logo class and give the width for the logo section, and also I can use the title class and give the width to the right hand side of the header. So for the logo, I will give before that I will give the width to the whole header. I can give the 100 VW first, and after that for the logo section I can give width of 15 VW, same as the width we gave to the sidebar, because that those two portions should align, the sidebar and the logo. And the title I can give width of 85 VW. To highlight the areas, I will give the background color as well. If we refresh now, we should see the colors applied. Yeah. So the next thing is we need to have a circular part, just like we have in the wireframe in the logo section. So to do that, I will add another div inside the logo. I will give the name as logo hyphen img as the class name for that div. And later we need to add the image, but for now I will just add a background color and width and height. To make it circular, I can give the border radius as 50%. I gave the same width and height to get a perfectly round circle. So I think we need to add the background color. Yeah, that may be the reason we are not seeing the circle yet. So okay, now we see the circle, but to make it perfectly uh, circular, I will give the same width and height again. Okay. The next thing is that circle needs to be in the middle part of the logo div. So I'll try with text align as center first. Because logo img is inside the logo div. So it doesn't change the position. So I will have to use the display flex here. And flex direction, actually flex direction doesn't matter, but I will add the flex direction as row anyway. Justify content I added as center. So now we see it has been centered along the horizontal axis. To center it in the vertical axis, I have to use align items and use the value center. So it should align in the vertical axis as well. Okay. Now as the next step, I will use the same colors we use in the wireframes. So it will match our wireframe designs. For the logo image, I use the color and then next the header. So I'm going to use the same color. We can easily copy the color from the wireframe. When we copy it, it does not copy the hash sign. So I have to add the hash sign manually. So I added the color to the uh, logo div, and then I'm adding the same color to the title div because those two divs make the entire header. Yeah, now that shows the same color as our wireframe. So the next thing is the sidebar. I will use the same color for the sidebar from the wireframe. I'm targeting the side hyphen bar div. and also the option buttons of the sidebar. The text of the button, I can increase the size of the text. I can use the font size, and maybe I will use extra large for now. Okay, it's too large. I will use the large. Next, I will use the color for the footer from the wireframe. Also, the footer text need to have only the copyright. And make it center, I will use the text align to center in the footer class. Okay, so instead of at symbol, I have to use the ampersand. Now they should be okay. Yeah. So next, the content area. First, we can add the color to the form div to match with the color in the wireframe. And we need to give the background color as white. For the content area, first we can remove the green color background and replace it with white. And also the form area, because inside the content area we used another div called form area, and we gave kind of orange color background, so that has to be replaced with white as well. And I will remove the rest of the background colors that we added earlier just to differentiate the various divs. So because we no longer need that color. Okay, now it shows the pretty much same color as the wireframe. Finally, I have to change the color of the button as well. So let me take that color from the wireframe and we'll replace that. Okay, so now all the colors are same as the wireframe. Finally, we can change the font for the entire web page. So I can target the main class and add the font family as for now I will add the font family as this. Okay,